Friends, today, 2nd October, we celebrate the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Today, let us put our sincere gratefulness and gratitude to this man of great human values. He was not only the driving force behind India's independence movement, but also a great source of inspiration on a global scale. To this day, his teachings of respect for human dignity and right to participate in prosperity resonate the world over. I invite you to take a moment to reflect on what Gandhiji's and his thinking mean for us now. The world is just emerging out of unprecedented hardship of the COVID pandemic, and I think these teachings are more relevant than ever. I would humbly think that the governments all over the world and other stakeholders working towards improving or support a healthy economic recovery need to keep the wisdom of Gandhiji in mind as they design their stimulus programs. Especially, I am referring to the concept termed Gandhian engineering. Its essence is very simple and straightforward: getting more from less for more. Let me repeat: getting more from less for more, but not in the conventional corporate sense of getting more performance or more profit from fewer resources. Gandhian engineering sends a different message. It means getting more performance from less resource and for more people. We have already proven this is not only feasible but also doable. Look at the cataract surgery that would cost $3,000 has been done for $30 now, or even less. A safe and fuel efficient car has been manufactured and sold for $2,000 instead of $20,000. A laptop that would normally cost $2,000 has been produced for $100. These real life examples show that a more equitable society is possible, but it will not happen by itself. Now it's the time for a concerted effort to achieve Gandhiji's bold vision. There can be no nationwide prosperity in any country without equal opportunity for all. We have enough wealth to fulfill humankind's need, but not greed. On that note, let me share the explanation given by Dr. R. A. Mashelkar, a leading Indian scientist and expert on Gandhian engineering, with me on India Power Talk. Let's commit ourselves and take this opportunity to not just reimagine or rethink, but redesign the world order to understand, see how best we can come forward to make our planet a better place to live, not for a few, but for all. At least let's make an attempt. Thank you. So you mentioned about Gandhian engineering just now in the last answer.
Hmm.
Gandhian engineering is based on the principle of more from less for more. I mean, can you explain that specifically, particularly what role can the Gandhian engineering play during the current pandemic situation?
Oh, yes. I think if at all world wants something, it is Gandhian engineering at this point in time. I'll explain to you. Let me explain the sort of background behind it. The background is as follows: that in 2008, I got elected to Australian Academy of Technology and Engineering, as it is called now. At that time, it was called ATAC. And they invited me to Canberra to give a talk on innovation. And I didn't want to sort of give something that I had read from these books. I wanted to say something that is original. So the title of my talk was Gandhian Engineering, Getting More from Less for More. And there's a bit of a shock effect, because what is Gandhian engineering? You knew electrical engineering, you know, chemical engineering, metallurgical, but what is Gandhian? So I explained to them what were the two tenets of Gandhi. The first tenet of Gandhi was that there is enough for everyone's need, but not for everyone's greed. What it means is that the resources that you have to preserve them for your great grandchildren and their great grandchildren. Now, how do you do that if you exhaust? So you have to exhaust less and less and create more and more out of it. So that is more from less. The second part is that he said that science, the power of science, the benefit of science must reach the poorest of the poor. All right. That means for all. So more from less and for more and more. So more from less for more. So it is more from less for more people, not profit.
Correct.
Of course, you can make profit, but the primary objective is getting more from less for more. So innovation, which belongs to Gandhian engineering, belongs to this category of affordable excellence.